Ai Karla, me kalihua. He halihua no ia naka no I kaune no ne ilene. Ohi o ki hiki mai no hiki pu no me ke aloha. Aloha e, aloha e, aloha e.
Surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some days.
I, David,
Forsaken all others,
forsaken all others,
receive you, Karla,
receive you, Karla,
as my wife.
as my wife.
I, Karla,
Forsaken all others,
forsaken all others,
receive you, David,
receive you, David,
as my husband,
as my husband,
my partner,
my partner,
my love,
my love,
beside me and apart from me,
beside me and apart from me,
in laughter and in tears,
In laughter and in tears,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in conflict and serenity,
in conflict and serenity,
asking that
asking that
you will always be true
you will always be true
to our love,
to our love,
loving what I know of you
loving what I know of you,
and trusting what I do not know,
and trusting what I do not know,
in all the ways
in all the ways
our life may bring.
our life may bring.
So by the power vested in me by our beautiful state of Hawaii, it's truly with my great honor and my privilege to announce you, David, and you, Miss Karla, eternal wedded husband and wife. David, kiss your beautiful wife. Let me hear from your family. Come on out.
It's been a while since we felt the way we did back when we were dumb and younger. It's been a while since I looked into your eyes and saw starlight, bold, bright colors. Yeah, when I'm down, when I'm dry, no one else. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over. I would choose you over and over again, again. And after all we've been through, there's no one else for me but you. I would choose you over and over again, again. You are the real thing, the novel before the film, all the nuance, every letter.